Remember when we were all bracing for the housing market crash of 2023? Well, it didn't quite happen as predicted. Many forecasters had us expecting a steep 10 to 20% decline in home prices. But the reality? It was quite the opposite. Home prices actually rose, and not just a little, but significantly. As Brian D. Luke, head of commodities at S&P Dow Jones Indices, put it, looking back at the year, 2023 appears to have exceeded average annual home price gains over the past 35 years. So the big prediction turned out to be a big surprise. Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Home prices almost always go up. It's not just a hunch, but a fact backed by data from Freddie Mac, tracing the changes in home prices since 1980. This consistent rise accentuates the reliability of the U.S. real estate market, increasing in value over time, as Forbes puts it. Granted, there was the 2008 housing market crash, a momentary dip in an otherwise upward trajectory. But remember, the market conditions then were vastly different to now. We have a high demand with limited supply, and homeowners are standing on a mountain of equity. So, despite the occasional dips, the trend line for home prices is a steady climb. So what does this mean for you, potential home buyers? Well, let's break it down. Owning a home isn't just about having a roof over your head, it's about making a smart investment. You see, the value of homes typically increases over time. So as a homeowner, you own something that generally becomes more valuable year after year. And here's the kicker. As your home's value appreciates, so does your net worth. It's like having a savings account that grows without you having to make regular deposits. Now, we're not saying it's all rainbows and butterflies. There are costs and responsibilities that come with homeownership. But if you're financially stable and prepared for these expenses, buying a home might just be the wisest decision you've ever made. In the long run, owning a home can be one of the smartest moves you can make. It's not just a house, it's an investment in your future.